everyone, welcome back to Dare to Glow. I'm Bella and I'm here to demystify the makeup experience. In today's video, I'll be giving you 3 eyeshadow color combination inspiration ideas. Let's get started. So to demonstrate the 3 color combinations, I'm going to use the NikkieTutorials by Beauty Bay palette. It looks like this. And upon first glance, it's kind of scary. You see mattes, you see sparkles, you see shimmers, you see really bright and bold colors, but you'll see that they combine very easily and it's not rocket science. So let's get started with look number 1. So always the first step is to prime. I'm going to use the Sigma eyeshadow base in the color Persuade. And I will just apply it on my finger and spread it evenly on both eyelids. For this first look, I'm going to combine the color Mila, which is a brownish orangish dirty color, with Pride, which is a holographic pink and blue and shimmery color, and then highlight the eye with Ivy, which is a white shimmer. So using my Sigma basic brush set, I'm going to apply Mila, the dirty brown color, in the crease with my E38 diffused crease brush. Just dip it once and tap off the excess. And look in the mirror straight ahead, or look down rather, and apply it to the crease. If you ever apply too much or too little on one side, you can blend it out so they are evened out with another fluffy brush. I'm going to use the Sigma tapered blending brush number E40. You see it has a fluffy end, and I'm just going to blend it out so it's even on both sides. All right, now to apply Pride, the sparkly holographic color here, Nikkie, the creator of this palette, actually recommends to use your finger. So a lot of times with shimmers and sparkles, the brush doesn't pick it up as well as you want, and so your finger is an awesome choice for sparkles and shimmers. I'm just going to put my finger in it, no need to wipe off the excess, and apply it to my lid. Now we'll apply it to the other lid. And now we'll apply Ivy, this white highlight color, and I will apply it with my Sigma E30 pencil brush. And that goes in the inner tear duct. So shimmers have a nice habit of transferring where you didn't put it. So you can either wipe off the extra with your finger or with a Q-tip. To finish the eyeshadow steps, I'm going to apply that same dirty brown color Mila to the bottom lash using a small angle E65 Sigma brush. Make sure to use liner not all the way to the tear duct area, because the tear duct is where the highlight color goes. You see how easy it was to combine a dirty brown with a sparkly pink? You never would have thought those go together, but they look really cool. So I'm actually going to add a liner and mascara and finish off the look and be right back. So this is the final look of look number 1. You'll see it's still a pretty natural look, not overdone, and it uses just 3 colors. I've combined it with a black liner and some light pink sparkly lips to top it off. So let's move on to look number 2. For look number 2's color combination, I'm actually going to use 2 of the same color but in different shades and different finishes. So I'm going to use Zomer, which is like a warm pink color, and this color right above it named Aura, which is a shimmery version of the same color. Before applying colors, once again, don't forget to prime. And I'm going to start with the non-sparkly pink shade Zomer in the crease. And once again, blend it with the tapered blending E40 brush. All right, next color is Aura, the shimmery version of that. And I'm going to apply it with my finger again. That goes on the lid.
Should've stayed with you last night instead of going out to find trouble. That's just trouble. I think I run away sometimes whenever I get too vulnerable. That's not your fault. See, I wanna stay the whole night.
And I'm gonna highlight the inner corner with the same white I used earlier, which is Ivy. Since this is an all pink look, I'm going to add a pop of different color for contrast. I'll use a blue liner, add some mascara again and some lip, and I'll be right back. So this is the final look number 2. I added a blue liner to add a little bit of contrast to the pink, some mascara, and a rose-colored lipstick. It looks a little more intense than you may have imagined it would come out to be. It's just because I added a deep eyeliner. You are welcome to soften it up by using maybe a brown, more natural color, or simplifying with a black liner on the top and nothing on the bottom. Either way, pink on pink is a super simple combination. Let's move on to look number 3. For the final look, I'm going to go back to basics and use more neutral colors. This can apply with any palette you use. A golden shade and a brown on the crease always, no matter what, go together. So from this palette, I'm going to pick 5 AM for the crease and this gold called NikkieTutorials for the lid. Using the same brushes as the previous 2 steps, don't forget to prime. Alright, and then for this one, I'm actually not going to use my finger. I'm going to use a E55 eye shading brush. You'll see it's more flat. And I'm actually going to spray it with Fix Plus from MAC to make the shimmers pop more. And I'll apply that color to the lid. This is actually more of a bronze tone, but like I said, anything in the goldish family will go with brown always. And I'll spray it again for the other side. I think this look is pretty good as is. It doesn't need an inner corner highlight. I'm going to just do the liner and fix the mascara, add some lips, and I'll be right back. This is the final look number 3. You'll see I let the bronze be the star of the show on my eyes. I only added a brown liner on the bottom, no liner on top, and mascara and a sultry red lip. This is the easiest combination of the 3. I only used 2 colors, plain and simple, bronze and brown. So I hope this was a useful video for you. I did 3 color combinations to give you some inspirations on your next look. You can tone them down. You don't have to use shimmers or bold colors. You can use the same color combinations, but mattes, shimmers, or satins to combine and contrast. Also, you can play it down with more neutral colors and a bold lip, or a soft lip and bold eyes. You can mix and match however you want. These are just 3 ideas to get you started. If you like this video and want to see more like this, don't forget to leave a comment in the space below and to like and subscribe. There will be a few more eyeshadow videos to come, so stay tuned. Until next time, bye!